Ever had your car act like it forgot how to start? Your car isn't ignoring you. It's just giving you the silent treatment because the crank sensor is upset. What it is and what it does. The crankshaft position sensor tells your car's computer the exact position of the crankshaft. This info is critical for timing fuel injection and spark. If it's failing, your car may stumble, misfire, or not start at all. Basically, it's like the car's heartbeat. If it's off, the whole system freaks out. Symptoms of a bad sensor. Engine won't start sometimes. Car stutters or misfires. RPMs act like a roller coaster. Check engine light comes on for no reason. Basically, it's like your car has a caffeine crash every day. Swapping the crank sensor is usually simple. A few bolts and a new sensor. Once replaced, the engine runs smooth. Starts on the first try. And your car stops acting like it needs therapy. Easy fix, big payoff. If your car's ever acted weird like this video, comment your craziest "my car wouldn't start" story. Follow for more DIY fixes and mechanic hacks.